have some Hanukkah cards to share today that's part of the Joy of Blue collaboration. Hey guys, it's Beth. Welcome. It is time again for the Joy of Blue collaboration. This is a collaboration hosted by Sarah, who is crafting and relaxing here on YouTube, and it just encourages the participants to play with the color blue. So there will be a list of participants in the description box below. Please check them out and see what type of blue they used this month and what they made. I chose to make some Hanukkah cards. I had wanted to make some anyway, and after Thanksgiving, like Black Friday, I ordered a Simple Stories warehouse box. And I'll insert a picture here. There was like a little grouping of paper, and half of it was like a Silent Night nativity themed paper, and the other half was Hanukkah. So I was like, perfect. Some Stories just made it super easy for me. So there were 6 sheets of pattern paper that were double-sided, and then a set of stickers and some page pieces. And so I took those 6 sheets of paper and kind of figured out how I could utilize them best to make some cards. And 2 of those sheets were cut aparts. So I knew those were going to be the focal point for most of my cards. And so I just kind of went through, cut one of each remaining sheet. So there was 1 sheet of yellow, 1 sheet of navy, cut them down to be card mats. And then in a couple places I used the strips that were left from making the card mats on the cards as well. And then the 2 remaining sheets, like each of the gold and the navy, I cut into different bits to just accent my cards. So there are, in most cases, 2 of each card, and so we'll kind of flip through really quickly. I did also bring in some cases, some little white vinyl circles just to act as enamel dots, just for some extra decoration. But this is a fun little collection to play with, and it's just Happy Hanukkah from Simple Stories. And the insides of the cards do have scraps. So here I didn't have 2 of the same sticker left, so I just brought in 2 different stickers there. This one I didn't add anything additional to. I just thought the menorah and just the colors really popped. Like everything worked well on its own. This is like a journal card that I made myself using some stickers from the sticker sheet, the menorah and the love and light banner. There's only 1 of those. And then this was one of the cut aparts that didn't actually have a sentiment of any kind on it, so I just grabbed some of the stickers and added those as sentiments there on the bottom. Those were all A2 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch cards. I have a mini slimline that is like 6 1/4 by 3 1/2, and that was because I wanted to use this Happy Hanukkah sticker, and it was the perfect size for a mini slimline. And so I had the perfect size piece of this navy, like the star pattern, and then a little bit of gold that I just actually sliced in half to kind of add on either side. And then I also brought in some stickers from the sticker sheet. And then there were some cut aparts that were 4 by 6. So there were 2 on each sheet. And so I went ahead and made some larger cards. These are 4 1/2 by 6 1/2, I believe, yes. So this one, it's just the cut apart. I just kind of left it as is. I wasn't sure like what I could add to it that would actually not make it just busy. And then this one I kind of kept elegant and simple. And this one is just on the white card base, and all I had left was kind of like strips of the gold Star of David paper. So I sliced it kind of in half and made it stretch across the cards, and then brought in some little yellow vinyl circles as enamel dots. So I have 20 cards that I got from those 6 sheets of double-sided pattern paper. I feel like that was pretty good. And I have some stuff left. So the stickers I could use, but I'm not Jewish, nor do I have like anyone in my family that would be able to use this. So if anyone out there would be making a scrapbook page or could use these, here's what each of the individual like die cut pieces are. If you are in the United States and could use these Hanukkah scrapbook page pieces and additional stickers, or I guess if you know somebody who could, let me know and I'd be happy to send them to you. Again, I prefer United States just for shipping purposes. And if you are interested, you can, just let me know that in the comments below and I will mail these to you. So that is my share today. Some bright and bold Hanukkah cards. So I know we are coming up on Hanukkah, so to all of you who celebrate Hanukkah, I do wish you a happy Hanukkah. To everyone else, I wish you happy holidays. Again, please be sure to check the participant list in the description box below. This is the last Joy of Blue for 2022, so next time I share it will be January of 2023. Thank you guys so very much for your time today and hope you all have a very crafty day.